Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Answer only known numbers and decline suspicious calls immediately when they arrive. That first action stops real-time engagement and reduces follow-up attempts. After you reject a spam call, open your phone and block the unwanted number in settings. Blocking prevents future rings from that exact number on this device and account. Then, add your number to the national Do Not Call list to reduce telemarketing calls over weeks. Combining immediate blocking with the Do Not Call registration lowers many recurring spam calls overall. Enable Silence Unknown Callers to send unidentified calls straight to voicemail by default. This setting stops most robocalls and unknown numbers from interrupting your day. Next, install a reputable call blocking app and configure its strict spam filtering options. Choose automatic blocking for high-risk calls and tagging for suspicious numbers you want to review. Allow calls from contacts and trusted numbers only to reduce unknown interruptions. Regularly check the app's blocked list and whitelist important callers to avoid missed essential calls. Activate your carrier's spam protection services and free network filtering options right away. Carriers can block known spam at the network level before your phone ever rings. Keep your operating system and call blocking apps updated to maintain the latest protection patterns. Updates include new spam signatures and improved filtering accuracy. Consider using a secondary number, such as Google Voice, for online forms and deliveries to shield your primary line. Periodically review blocked and allowed lists, and change privacy settings to minimize future exposure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.